Namaskar and hello everyone. Myself Vaijayanti Ramawat, Assistant Professor at MGV's MSG College, Malegaon Camp, District Nashik. Today we are going to learn the topic rural marketing. So let's first understand the meaning of rural marketing. When marketing activities are carried out in the rural market, it is known as rural marketing. In simple words, rural marketing is planning and implementation of marketing functions for the rural area. It is a two-way marketing process which encompasses the discharge of business activities that direct the flow of goods from urban to rural and vice versa. Now moving towards the definition of rural marketing is rural marketing can be defined as a function that manages all activities involved in assessing, stimulating, and converting the purchasing power of the rural consumer into an effective demand for a specific product and services. And moving these products and services to the people in rural areas to create satisfaction and a better standard of living and thereby achieving organizational goals. Now, moving towards the features of rural marketing. There are certain unique features of rural markets like vast and scattered market. India's rural market is very vast, comprising 66% of India's huge population of around 1,300 million. The rural market is scattered and widespread over 6,49,481 villages, unlike the urban market confined to handful of metros, cosmos and towns. The next feature of rural marketing is seasonal demand. Nearly 60% of the rural income comes from the agriculture and related activities. Thus, the demand for goods and services in the rural areas depends heavily on agriculture. Hence, like agriculture, rural demand is also seasonal. The next feature is low standard of living. The rural consumers have a low purchasing power, low per capita income, low literacy rate, and therefore low standard of living. Now, added to this, social backwardness, traditions and religious pressures, cultural values and deep-rooted superstitions which force them to have simple living and high thinking and stop them from climbing the ladder of a better lifestyle. Another feature of rural marketing is unity in diversity. The rural population of India is marked by diverse cultures and languages. There is great degree of diversity in the religions, languages, cultures and subcultures, social customs and traditions, even though they all together represent the rural population. The next feature is steadily growing market. The rural market of India today is fast growing and expanding one. There is a huge rural demand today not only for agriculture inputs but for consumer goods, both durable and non-durable. Not only is there a demand in the rural market, but it is fast outstripping the urban market of India. Now we will see the importance of rural marketing. The first importance is increase in prosperity and purchasing power. The rural market has achieved a rapid pace of material prosperity during the last decade due to the improvement in the productivity and output of agriculture. This has increased the purchasing power in the hands of the rural population. Another importance of rural marketing is flow of investment for rural development program. Apart from the increase in agriculture productivity, prosperity has come to the rural areas through a flow of investment through many programs such as Jawahar Rojgar Yojana, 20-point programs, programs under IRDP, etc. Due to the inflow of this investment, a large portion of the rural population has achieved agrarian prosperity levels. Another importance of rural marketing is shift of a segment of the urban population to the rural areas. The much improved transportation and communication facilities during the recent years, on the one hand, and the rapid rise in the cost of living in urban areas, on the other hand, has led to the reverse flow of middle income classes of employees to move from urban to semi urban and rural areas for residential purposes. As a result of this, product like washing and cleaning materials, food and beverages, like cosmetics and all, could penetrate into the rural market and gain substantial market acceptance. Thus, it is a market growing at a very fast rate and no company can afford to neglect it. Overview of rural marketing. Rural markets, as part of any economy, have untapped potential. There are several difficulties confronting the effort to fully explore rural markets. The concept of rural market in India, as also in several other countries like China, is still in evolving shape and the sector poses a variety of challenge. Today, rural marketing is gaining importance, especially in country like India, basically because 66% of the Indian population lives in the rural areas and 50% of the national income is generated from these areas. So, we can't ignore to rural market. Thank you. I hope you all get understand the basics of rural marketing. Thank you.